All right, all packed up, going back down to the Umpqua to chase some smallies. This will be the first full day I get to spend on the Umpqua in 2018. Went down for 2.5 hours on Tuesday and got a few, so it was awesome. I'm really excited to spend all day today, and I get to spend all day tomorrow out there. Truck's running, truck's packed. I'm gonna go get a coffee, fat coffee, a burrito, and then go see if this crankbait is still on. Go see if this crankbait bite is still on. Just arrived. Poles, check. Tackle, check. Food, water. I think we're rolling. So, again, last time I was here, just a couple days ago, it was all a crankbait bite. I really, really hope that crankbait bite is still on. Nice, so it's definitely down, because this was completely underwater Tuesday. Really good news. All right, let's start cranking. Fish, first cast. First cast. He's a little guy. Look at this little dink. Yeah. All right, switch to my Berkeley white chartreuse and black crank. That red one got the one little one, but nothing else. So see if the color switch helps. Grab a little snack, and while I snack, I'm just going to throw a little finesse worm out here and let it soak. See if I can pick anything up that way. All right, I'm gonna throw a chartreuse lizard, since there are newts or lizards everywhere here. But they're orange, mine's chartreuse, so we'll see. Okay, that one did follow. Oh, that was a bite. That's a bite. There we go. There we go. Lizard. Lizard for the win. All right. Been a little while since we got a fish. Fantastic. That's a decent one. Oh, look at how fat he is. Nice, that's a good fish. That is a nice one. Fat belly. You are wide. You're not big, but excellent. Excellent, excellent. Oh yeah. Let's get the release here. So I have no idea what that is. There's some sort of weird dead fish. That is creepy. Got one. These are the guys that are everywhere. So he's warm. Way warmer than the water there, guy. Alright. Alright, so I just pulled up and walked out to this new spot. There's this weird patch of water here. I didn't think there'd be any fish in it. And I can see a massive bass right on the other side of this bush. I think he saw me, so he's probably spooked. But let's see if he's still there. He is still there. I wonder if it's bedfish. Oh God, he's big. Alright, I'm gonna try to bring this lizard right on. Oh God, I got hit. They're in there. Holy shit. Okay. We're about to catch some fish, boys. I was reeling to get back to that big one and I got hit by another one. Oh, he had it. Damn, he had it. God, why they're just not... There's got to be a bed in there. So they're not leaving. Yeah, he's chasing another one off. That means he's on a bed. Oh, he had the tail. God. I saw him pick up the tail. Come on. I can still see him in there. Or her, I'm not sure. Okay, bringing it right back in now. Almost gonna drop right on her. Right on her tail. Just turn around. She bit the tail again. Pissing it off. Dropping right on her again. Looking at it. Looking at it. Okay, it's back. Okay, dropping in. Dropping in. Got it. Got it. Got it. Yes. Yes! Look at this monster. Look at this beast. Oh, look at that. Look at that smallie. Oh, yeah. Let's let this beast go. Look at that one. All right. See ya. Oh, God, he was right there. Oh, he had it, but he didn't have it. All right, that one is still on the bed. Just trying some different things here. Oh, he had it. No, 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 no. Oh, I thought he swallowed all of it. Oh, no. She, he, whatever. Oh, no. Oh. Oh. Got him. Got him. Nice. All right, let's get down there and get him. Whoa, almost fell in the river. A little smaller than the rest, but that's awesome.